Your word is Zaddy.
Zaddy. What?
Zaddy.
Okay, that's the E1. That's the easy.
Yeah.
Two niggas up there say Zaddy. That shit, hey.
Come on, bro. Spell the word. Spell the word. Spell the word.
Spell that shit, come on.
Remember, you got to place of origin, using the sentence, using a long song lyric, or a lifeline.
I mean, I thought about another Z going at it. The sleep. Alright.
Sit up, brother.
Wait till the dog finish for the word, brother.
Damn.
Alright, go ahead, Neto.
I mean, the fact that I said that earlier, I think I'm gonna have to pass, brother.
Hey, bro, watch out with the gear, brother.
Huh? What?
Come on, bro. Remember, you only got a minute, so.
Zaddy. Alright.
What you forget?
Alright, Oshi. Your word is screets.
Screets.
Screets. Remember, you have your place of origin, definition, using a sentence, lifeline, using a song lyric.
Okay, use it in a sentence for me, please.
I'll holler at you later. I'm about to get in these screets.
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 SKEERTS. Bro, you better get it right since you over here fucking laughing. It's dying.
I'm fried. Well, I'm my bad. SK. Hey, how the fuck?
Hey, shut up. Just spell the word though.
SKREETS.